Before we start, I want you to stay with me until the very end tonight, because this part is going to change your relationship with money right now, wherever you are, whether you're sitting comfortably or lying down. Gently place both of your hands on your heart. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Let your entire body begin to relax. Tonight, we are not going to manifest anything by trying hard. We are not going to chase money. Tonight, we are going to release it. And then, we are going to welcome it home. Keep your hands on your heart. With your eyes still closed, repeat these words slowly in your own voice. Dear money, I'm sorry for every negative thing I have thought about you. I'm sorry for believing that not having enough means something is wrong with me. I'm sorry for the nights I lay awake with tightness in my chest, punishing myself over what I spent, what I didn't save, and what I still don't have. Please forgive me for treating you like an enemy instead of a relationship. Please forgive me for believing I have to suffer for you before I deserve you. Thank you, money, for everything you have already given me, even the small things, even the things I forgot to notice. I love you, money, and I am ready to stop fighting you tonight. This is not just a technique. This is your body learning something new. Money does not flow into a space that is clenched. It flows into a space that feels safe. And tonight, we are making that space. Now, keep your hands on your heart. Let's do one more thing. Before we welcome anything new in, I want you to think of 5 moments, big or small, where money showed up for you this year. As each memory comes, raise one finger. What was the first time money took care of you this year? The second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth, notice that money has been showing up for you far more quietly and far more often than your fear has allowed you to see. Now, with that same softness, let's welcome something new. Repeat after me. Old money story. I release you gracefully. No regret, only gratitude. I welcome a new relationship with money, one built on safety, not fear. I am ready to receive without earning my worth first. My worth is already whole. I am ready to rest and still receive. I promise to stop proving myself to money and start trusting it instead. I promise to notice abundance, even when it is small. I promise to remember I am always taken care of, because when I fall asleep tonight, it will not be the amount in my account that decides my peace. It will be the relationship I choose to have with money. Before you drift into sleep, say one more time, softly, thank you, money, for choosing to stay close to me. I am ready for you. That's it. No pressure, no long ritual. Just this, every night, for the next 7 nights. So your body learns a new bedtime story about money. One where you are already safe, already enough, already held. Let your breath become slower now, gentler, easier, and let tonight be the night. You stop fighting for money and simply become someone money feels safe coming home to. If you want the full guided version of this every single night, along with the complete morning and evening practice we use with our own students, our daily magic practice has it all, gently, in just 15 minutes a day. You'll find the link in the description. Whenever you're ready, no rush tonight. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you tomorrow.